Good morning guys, Pedro Vargas here. Today we're going to be crushing a ton of Syrah. So these two bins, beautiful grapes, going to be a nice wine. Let's go crush it, come on. First thing we have to do is get the bin up close to where we're going to put it into our elevator. So this little gadget in front of me is actually the bin tilter. So we'll see how that works in a minute. There's not a lot of trick to this. You just kind of have to slowly get the grapes in here. We're going to fill this thing up and then we're going to turn the elevator and it's going to take them right up. This also gives us an opportunity to take out any green leaves like this that you don't want in there. Very loud thing is a crusher destemmer. So as you can see up on top, the grapes are falling into the top part of this. And it's actually going to take the cluster, take all the grapes off the stems. So that's kind of slick, huh? Okay, well let's go on up and check out the action up there. Don't worry, we have good insurance. So that's how you crush a ton of Syrah. So all the two bins that we started out with on the other side are now in here. And all you have is beautiful, plush Syrah grapes that are going to turn into a great wine. And now the real fun's about to start. So I got to go because I got to go clean all that equipment. See you later.